When it comes to your mortgage, it is one of the biggest purchases you'll ever make. And here's a question for you. Where are your property documents? Do you know? Well, you should. Chae duPont, attorney partner at the law firm of Morris duPont, is here now with some very important reminders. And first, a big congratulations. You just got married.
I did.
Yeah, did everything go well?
Oh, it was beautiful, of course. Thank you.
And you were a beautiful bride, I'm sure.
It was just a lovely day.
Oh, well, congrats.
Thank
Congrats.
you so much. I appreciate that, Jerry.
Of course. Let's talk about the important documents that relate to your home. What are they, first of all?
Well, there's 3 documents that you really want to make sure that you understand. There's the note, which is basically the IOU. You went to a bank and said, I want to borrow $300,000. And the bank says, all right, we'll lend you $300,000. Well, that document that memorializes that is the note. And then the bank says, well, wait a minute, we don't know you that well. So in order for us to lend you that $300,000, we're going to have to get a secured interest in something that you own that's worth at least $300,000. And you say, well, you know what, coincidentally, I'm going to buy a house with that $300,000, so I'll give you a lien on real property. And a lien on real property is called a mortgage.
Mortgage, right.
So you need the note, you want to know where the note is, the mortgage, and then of course the title to the property. It's not like a car where you go and borrow money to get a car and then once you pay off that loan you get the title. When you buy a property, you're buying it, you have the deed or the title to the property. So the note, the IOU, the mortgage, which is the secured lien on the property, and the title showing your ownership of the property. Those are the 3 documents that impact your property.
Now, why is it so important to have these documents on hand or in a safe deposit box or wherever you keep them safe?
Because at different times you may need to reference them. On the note, there is what's called an amortization schedule, and that tells when you will eventually have that note paid off. And you want to be able to make sure that your mortgage servicing company that's servicing the mortgage is doing it accurately per the terms of the note and the mortgage. So you want to be able to refer back to those documents. And of course, you always want to know where the title to your property is in case anything should happen.
Okay, now there's something called a quit claim deed.
Yes.
What is that?
A quit claim deed, it's Q-U-I-T, a lot of people say quick.
Quick, yeah.
It's quit claim deed. A quit claim deed is where you deed the property to someone else, or it could be in a divorce, the 2 parties then deed the property to the 1 party. So a husband and wife owned a property. In a divorce proceeding, it's decided that the property will transfer to the wife, and so the husband and wife then quit claim deed the property over to the wife. Both sign, and then the wife now has the ownership of the property. Of course, if they were both on the mortgage, they're both going to stay on the mortgage.
Do you suggest keeping these documents off property, like in a, I don't know, where? Where would you keep them?
Well, you could keep them if you have a safe deposit box, but if
something
you don't
that's fireproof.
Right, that's the big thing, is fireproof. So if you could afford to have a safe in your home, I would like you to have it in a fireproof safe.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay. Great information. Chae duPont, thank you so much, as
Sure.
always. And to learn more about this, all you have to do is visit homemortgagelaw.com, and you can also contact the law firm of Morris duPont and schedule a free consultation to discuss any issues you're facing with your property. You can call this number, 800-974-2712. And of course, you can listen for Chae duPont on News Radio 970 WFLA AM right here in the Tampa Bay area. And Chae, always a pleasure. See you next time.
Thank you,
And
Jerry.
congrats again.
Appreciate it.
All right, be right back.